Good morning, you guys. Okay, I'm finna cook a simple breakfast. My wife wants some eggs with the yellow running. I want eggs with Teresa in it. I'm scrambling mine. So we're gonna do some good cooking this morning for the stuff that we want. We don't want a whole lot. Okay. But I told y'all we was gonna be back at you with some cooking stuff. This is simple. This is a simple meal that I was raised upon. That was quick and easy. All right. So we got our bologna. This ain't the original. This ain't the bologna that I usually get, but this is the bologna that we're gonna use for this particular meal. And we always start out by frying our bologna. Okay, you guys. So what we're doing is, as you can see, we're frying this little bacon. I'm sorry, bacon. Yeah, it's getting right. It's getting right, you guys. Bologna. Frying this bologna here. This has got to be nice. While the bologna is frying, I'm going to scramble up my eggs. And this is what I'm going to eat in my egg. Beef Teresa. This is my favorite. Let me open it up so you guys can see it better. If you guys know anything about Teresa, and hopefully I still got the brand name on there, but this is the Teresa that we put on our scrambled eggs. That's kind of the reason why I don't use salt, because this is already seasoned. Okay, so I always put a little butter in there in the skillet here, because my wife wants some eggs with the yellow. Okay, so let's see if I can bring y'all a little closer. As y'all can see, I gently lay my egg down. See if we can get you in a closer. See how that egg going there? Yeah. So we can have that yellow. I like mine like that too, but I don't want to eat that like this today. This is for my wife. Okay. Now, as you can see, I like this, man. The white part is getting done. See, it's able to slide. It's able to slide across the skillet. That's all it's supposed to do. So down, just slide across the skillet. That means that I can flip this bad boy. Now, this is where I always have the problem. So let's see if we can do it without busting the egg. All right. So now we did it. And this is only gonna stay on here, on this side for a short period of time. We still want to make sure that it's sliding around and get that butter on that egg. See, and it's already time to take this one off. Yeah. Put this on my wife, because this is what she likes, see. So we're going to hurry up and get that egg off of there after we put it over there one time there. So we go. As you can see, perfectly, and you can even see that. You can even see the yellow still in there bouncing. It's done, y'all. It's done. I know. It's done. Okay. We're gonna get this one, and we'll be right back at you with ours. Show you how we cook ours with the Teresa. And we do welcome you guys back to JoJo and DMJ's Adventures, the cooking section. Hey, you guys, we just trying to enjoy life. Anyway, let's get to the cooking.
Take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better.
Hey, and like I told y'all, JoJo like to clean his skillet after every section of the cooking. I clean the skillet. Okay. Getting ready to scramble up our eggs. Because we're going to scramble the eggs. We kind of did a little different than what I usually do. I usually just put it in the skillet and mix them up together. But what I want to do this time is I'm going to go ahead and mix my eggs up. Like I say, no seasoning here. It's already seasoned with this. This good seasoning. This is the beef. They also have pork, y'all. I'm taking my spoon. I got little tricks and tricks. See now, I just scrambled their eggs, right? So you make sure that my skillet is hot enough without burning my eggs. You leave a little bit on the fork and sprinkle it when you see it. Okay, you guys, we washed our hands. All right, we already know that our skillet is hot, okay? So now, what I gotta do is, I gotta make sure I got a portion of my chorizo already ready to go when I get started on this one. Okay, get it in there. Like I said, y'all will see why I wash my hands. We're getting all our eggs. We don't leave no egg up in the bowl, okay? Food costs too much to waste. So we just get all our egg in the bowl. Y'all probably say, ugh, that's why I wash my hands. Now we're going to dump a slab of that chorizo right in the middle of that while it's cooking. Yeah. Okay. So we got some nice big hunk of that chorizo down in there, as y'all can see. So now it's time to mix it up here. The egg is getting done like I like it. What I like about it. Yes. Get eggs and chorizo mixed up there. Okay. You want to get it off the eye so now that chorizo can cook. You don't want to overcook the eggs. That's the way I like my chorizo. Okay. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. So now, with beef chorizo, it don't be salty, okay? But as you can see, y'all, we won't get back at it. Look at that. Look at that. I wish I had some American cheese to put on there, but we ain't have no cheese. But look at that. We got two breakfast sandwiches going on here. Man, how fast and simple that was. I want to thank you guys for watching this part of JoJo and DMJ's adventures cooking section of the show. All right, like I said, it's just a little quick breakfast. All right, we'll see y'all on the next one. God bless. Stay safe.